This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Mabuhay o
and
madayaw. Hello everyone. Hello and welcome to episode 20. How
It's
time
July
flies,
5.
Madaya. Oo.
First Sunday of July 2026. Umanagyod ang katunga sa tuig katong June
Yeah, first half of first half of the year
of
2026.
2026. Oo.
Yeah. Well, I hope na nakasugakod ang inyong first half sa 2026. Bahalag nagkaguliyang, nagka-problema sa atong mga
Bahala
everyday
na gihangak-hangak.
Yeah. Bahalag wala sa passing tungod sa pickleball na nagkatag karon diri sa Davao.
Oo. O naka-recover na ba ta sa kanang taas nga presyo sa lana?
Oh,
No?
my goodness.
Wa pagod di usbaw gid no. Wa ni kunho di ay. Mas gamay. Unsa, mas gamay ang lower kaysa mag-higher price.
My goodness. But of course, welcome once again to our Sunday habit, ang ABCD. This is still CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
You are watching through the Facebook page and YouTube channel of Kadangpan Digital and Attorney.
Of course, the Davao Lawyer YouTube channel and Davao Lawyer Facebook page.
Para nang sa bago lang naka-tune in or wala ka aware, this is, of course, ABCD. This is a Sunday program every 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes.
We show ourselves the other side, the lighter side of us, being, of course, Attorney Blue as the attorney and me as the media. But on the other side, which you already know, kay naga-feature man ta og mga people, places, and events.
Yes.
Pero of course, naman gihapon ang 4-piece.
Yes, pero lain atong 4-piece dili nang ayuda no, di ba? Basi yes. Sila mangita sila sa tuwa, maglinya-linya kay mga yung 4-piece.
No. This is what we call panauhin, pagkain, pasyalan at pangyayari.
Pangyayari. Ayun, yes.
And of course, kumusta naman ang weekend na to, Attorney?
Oo, baghorag yun na human, no? I-congratulate na nako itong mga nidaog nga sa mga officers sa OCTS, ng One Cooperative Technology Service nga buhat diha katong sa sa Quezon City. Dungan pag yun dito sa dako nga rally, sa mga nagrally dito sa EDSA mo na nga na late, nag-zoom na lang, pero it was highly successful gihapon kay daghan naman mga bagong mga members o na-educate na sila sa mga services sa federation. So hopefully makaano na tayo kasi importante ngayon yung digitalization, yung integration, tsaka yung tulungan ng mga kooperatiba na kapag sama-sama kayang-kaya at kayang-kaya kapag sama-sama. Ayun.
Yes. Kung sa Luzon man gani na ay rally dito kay sa Kagubot, ang sa Mindanao na may rally pero pickleball na noon o sa cheer dance.
Cheer dance,
Okay. Anyway, probably Attorney, this is really kay jokes aside no, but amping lang po ng tanan because kabalo ko na medyo not in the weather ra ba ang ato ang kadalanan ra ba
tapos
paguntong aksidente, grabe.
Murag wala naman po kayo'y linog siguro no. Pila naman kaadlaw, semana naman siguro nga walay linog, hinauton ta nga dili na siya magbalik-balik pod CD.
Grabe. Maskin ako gani, I do not know kung ako lang ba ni o ni uyog man gud ang kalupaan dire, kay wa ko kabalo kung linog ba ni o ako ra ba ang nalipong.
Okay.
Okay. So jokes aside, no. Well, let's get into business because we are going to start off with our first stretch of our program through our pangyayari segment. And of course, almost a month since nahitabo katong PTAA Travel Tour Expo sa SMX,
Yes.
no?
Mm-mm.
But of course, syempre, karon lang nako i-play, no, kay probably this is a very interesting one kay katong sa mga ganahan magbakasyon, kay always gina-mention sa mga travel destinations sa ilahang feed mao
Si
ang Boracay.
Boracay. Ayan,
Oo.
oo.
Pero mahal na ba yung
naatay
ticket, no?
interview, oo. So, ano yun, murag mas, unsa na, mas visit yun or mas return kung naka-visit na mo. O nangilahang murag appeal sa ilang mga bucket list, di ba, CD?
Yes, attorney, no? Wala pa ko kaadtoan ng White Sand Beach sa Boracay, no? But of course, we wouldn't miss the chance na atong pagamustahon those involved sa tourism sa Boracay sa usa ka booth during the last day, to be specific, sa PTAA Travel Tour Expo 2026 sa Davao. So let's all watch the interview sa Malay Aklan LGU booth na medyo duol man po sa stage, no? So let's watch this.
Mabuhay o madayaw!
Yes, and we're here last day po ng PTAA Travel Tour Expo, and we're here sa booth ng Boracay sa Municipality of Malay Aklan together with, of course, the LGU Tourism Office po. So kindly introduce yourself na lang po, and can you explain to us about Boracay and what is so unique about the places to see in this beautiful island? Please introduce yourself po.
Hello everyone! Good morning! I'm Catherine Lisorio po from Malay Tourism Office.
Hello, Mabuhay og Madayaw, Davao. I'm Paul Castillo, one of the tour operator in the Municipality of Malay, Island of Boracay.
Hello, Davao. I'm Kina. I'm from Malay Tourism Office also.
Okay, explain niyo po what is unique about the Boracay Island and what, of course, Davaoenos, non-Davaoenos, and also the tourists alike from foreign nationals would like to see the pristine beauty of the island po itself.
Of course, what Boracay make it unique, no, to other destinations. Syempre, kilala yung Boracay Island for its white beach, crystal clear water with its powdery sand. And aside from that, Boracay is for everyone. For you can, if solo traveler ka, couple or family, Boracay Island is the best destination for you to enjoy.
Yes, of course, for all Davaoenos, kung sino man po ang wala pa pong idea, we have a direct flight po from Davao direct to Caticlan, which is Boracay Airport. We are operating like 3 times a week via Cebu Pacific. So it's easy access for all Davaoenos to go to Boracay, which is the world's best beach destination. And I know that you're gonna enjoy Boracay because of its offerings. Aside from the pristine beach, and for the crystal clear water, we have a lot of water sports and activities that we can offer. But aside from that, it's really the people, the warm hospitality of the people of Boracay non that will welcome you to the beautiful island of Boracay.
Yes. So, ikaw, anything else you'd like to add?
And to add to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, Boracay also has something for you because we have a Muslim designated beach cove designated only for Muslim brothers and sisters. So technically, you cannot get bored in Boracay because Boracay has it all for you.
Yes. So of course, with the approximate annual number of tourists, to be exact, no, sa dami ng beaches, ang hirap magpili kung ano yung uunahin. But of course, the expectations naman din for sabihin na lang natin mga tourists domestically and from international na ma-experience nila aside from the tourist circuits, if any, na meron dito sa Boracay para ma-experience naman po for the rest of our fellow Davaoenos and tourists alike.
Of course, aside from the water sports that we are offering, the usual island hopping, the land tour in Boracay, beyond the beauty of Boracay, we have this beautiful mainland tourist attractions, which is very different from Boracay. But what is beautiful on the mainland Malay is that you're gonna immerse with local, you're gonna taste the local food of the municipality of Malay and the province of Aklan, and as well as it's very unique because there in mainland Malay, it's a cold spring. Imagine going in Boracay during summer, but you're gonna experience a cold spring in the mainland Malay.
Yes, and to add,
Yes, I would like also to add that we have here in mainland Malay the Mutag Living Museum, and actually Mutag Living Museum is the first living museum in the Philippines, and we are proud that it is located in our place, in our municipality in mainland Malay, particularly in Barangay Mutag.
all right. And of course, would you like to invite for those na gustong mag-visit talaga ng Boracay, even in any travel expo, kung saan kayo makarating, even not here in Davao, kindly invite those na gustong ma-experience ng ganito.
Yes, no, actually, we are very thankful with the PTAA. Thank you so much for this opportunity because we were able to join this travel expo here in Davao City, especially that this is one of our goals, to maximize the promotion of Boracay Island in Davao City and to the whole region of Mindanao. So, yes, we would like to invite the Davaoenos, as what we've said, we have now the direct flight from Davao to Boracay Airport. So, mas easy na po para sa mga taga Davao na pumunta doon sa Boracay Island. So yes, it's our last day here in Davao. Here in PTAA Travel Tour Expo Visman Edition. So we are inviting everyone to come here and catch the big deals. The best deals and exclusive deals for you guys.
Okay, so to all Davaoenos, this is our last day of the Travel Tour Expo, and when you go here in the booth of LGU Malay, please go direct to Southwest Tours because our company will offer you a perfect package that is really suitable on your budget. It depends on your preference. If you are if you want something cheapest, if you want something premium, then we can definitely customize your tours in Boracay.
Okay, last.
So to wrap it all up, Davaoenos, experience the world's best beach, experience Boracay Island. So go to Boracay, we have direct flights now. Thank
Yes,
you.
and with that, thank you so much sa inyo from Malay Aklan and also to the LGU, and I hope balik-balik kayo dito sa Davao for boosting promotion po for the Boracay Island. Ayun, so that's about it. But just to clarify,
Oo.
it has taped last June 7 of 2026.
Oo, tama. Oo, that was last. Meron na palang direct flight sa Boracay from Davao. Baka bago lang yan pero 3 times a week daw. Hindi naman nila sinabi kung
3
anong airline.
times a week.
Oh, that's good. At least siguro hindi ka na magdaan sa either via Cebu or Manila, mag-connecting flight ka. So, minsan napagod ka na pagdating doon. Then, alam natin, pagdating sa Katiklan, may ferry pa, going to Malay Island, which is where Boracay is situated. And I was surprised na meron din palang cold spring daw doon, Kasi, ang ating pagkaalam, lang talaga, yung mga beaches nila. So siguro kung marami na masyadong tao or may gusto kang puntahan, pwede din puntahan doon sa inland na what they call that, the cold spring. And actually we've been there once pa lang. Gusto namin pumunta doon sa museum na binabanggit, but at that time yata parang under renovation. So yun yung sayang na hindi namin napuntahan. But definitely siguro pagbalik namin or tayo, kung magsama-sama tayo ay pupuntahan natin yon, di ba, CD?
Yeah, if given naman na ano, dili mag-conflict ang akong time and your
Mm-mm.
time, kay kabulubaya ka, we're both travelers, but
Lagi.
in a different person. Sa
Oo.
imo ha, eroplano, wala pa ako
Oo.
kasakay og eroplano in
Ah,
town,
okay. Oo.
attorney, grabe.
Sige lang.
Ay,
Kung tao na to ng direct flight niya, kung kano sana, ipunan na to na. Tuon na to ng
yeah,
Boracay.
yeah. All right. So if you have just joined us, you're still watching the first stretch of our program, ABCD. This is still us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
We will have a short break muna because when we come back, legal matters plus a surprise, kumbaga, na ano, sa ikaduhang hugna sa atuang program. Please stay with us. Don't go away.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Friday night in the program ABC Anuncio Batas at Cooperativa, 7 p.m. every Friday night at Double Lawyer Facebook page and Double Lawyer YouTube channel.
Mabuhay Madayaw! I am Attorney Christine Joy Bermudo, your Sinag ng Davao 2026, and you are watching Kadangkan Live with Carlo Valer.
Mabuhay Madayaw! Ako si Robin Grace Udali, ang inyong pagtubay ng Davao 2026. You're watching Kadangban Live with Carlo Dolier.
All right,
Yan.
and we're back.
Oo, ano na, July na talaga. No, July
Yeah.
5, episode 20 ng ating programang ABCD.
Yes. July na. Marag nag-trending naman pod si July na si Jolens na pod.
Si
Kaya
Jolens.
basta moabot, oo.
Oh,
But
basta
before
July na.
everything else, oo, we would like to greet belated happy anniversary to the 3 provinces of Davao region, which is Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, and Davao Oriental.
Oriental.
Kay isa na
Ayun.
lang katuig, mag 60 years na sila.
Ah, okay, no? Paspasa, no? O, mag-60
Yeah.
years na dahil sila. O,
Yes,
senior
so-
citizen na sila.
Oo.
Next
So
year.
technically, syempre, namanggoy Republic Act naman na cause May of 1967, if I'm not mistaken. There was,
Okay.
syempre, namanggoy Republic Act in creating the 3 provinces from the undivided Davao province.
Province. Oo,
So,
yun.
Yan. And also, another Republic Act which already stated that every July 1 of
Mhm.
every year, gina-celebrate ang Charter Day sa provinces of Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, and Davao Oriental.
Ayan, oo. So, happy, celebration dyan sa mga lugar na nabanggit mo.
Yes, oo. But of course, before we proceed to the segment, kay syempre, as what I have said it in the previous episode na katong giingon natong na may isa ka tao nga ginaharas atong concurrent reigning Miss Cagayan de Oro 2025 na syempre currently padayon gihapon ang competition sa Binibining Pilipinas 2026. But of
Okay.
course, I think this is I wanted na eye-opener naman pod sa tanan no, na murag na is something na accusing of some things nga dili wala ni gid haom sa ilahang gibuhat, but of course it is allegations ra ba, but syempre as what I have stated na nang paggawas og official statement that they strongly condemn sa nahitabo and nagpanawagan na ingon nato nga i-report ang maong katong post na allegation ra gyud. But of course, what is already katong liability sa nag-post, because we go on sa katong gibase nato sa RA 10175 or Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. What is really the liability of the person responsible for that post na dili tinuod, or katong mukatag na po na murag wildfire, of which ang reputation na ba nakasalalay ra ba, it can harm someone's person na unta nang hilabot pero gibuhat sa usa ka butang dili po dahom. So what's the liability, ana attorney?
Yes, before we go to cyber libel, of course sa una wala pa may mga internet, no. So moarag hapon na siya ordinary libel, no, nga naay tao nga gidautan kanang ginamalain, no, whether true or not, then kanang naay publication. Sa una publication man good, comics, sulat, newspaper, no, o kanang identified to siya sometimes not by name, but for example the mayor of Davao City or the only child of Igana. So maski wala gisulti, ma-identify dayon nato. Ang kalainan lang sa diha sa ordinary libel is below 6 years lang maximum ang atuang penalty. So ang kaning cyber libel ni gamit na taog mga technology like internet, social media, mas taas ang silot 6 years and above, up to 12 years or more, no, and napay mga kadugang ang mga civil liabilities, mga penalties, damages, nga naman important ning 6 years CD o sa ato mga tigpaminaw o ato mga listeners and viewers, kay kung 6 years and below ang imong hatol sa imong krimen, pwede kag mag-probation. So natay one-time probation nga ang dili ka kinahanglan mag-serve sa imong imprisonment, mag-report lang ka sa imong probation officer. Pero kung malagpas na kag 6 years, abot nag 6 years and 1 day, which is the prescribed penalty of a cyber libel or more, is-serve gina nimo kanang 6 years and 1 day, although naatay ginatawag usay katong nadungog na to sa una nga good conduct allowance, no? So pwede na ka mag-parole, mga abot kag 1/3 siguro, maybe 2 years or 3 years. So pwede na ka mag-apply og parole, meaning pwede ka mo malaya na in the meantime, no. At kung magkamali ka na naman, balik ka na naman doon sa loob. So mo na ang unsa kay karon magud ang technology, grabe na kaayo, no, dili na dayon mapugnan, paspas kaayo, tapos kasagaran sa tawo mo tuo dayon. That's why siguro nga gipatasan ang silot sa RA 10175, although that's a Cyber Libel Act of 2012 pa yan siya, no, but nandyan pa rin yung yung mga heavy penalties niya, CD.
Alright. Pero of course, depende na sa personality, whether politiko or kandidata sa ka-pageant or just an executive for whatever company.
Yung mga businessmen.
Yes.
Meron kasi tayong tinatawag sa batas na public figure. Sino itong mga public figure? Of course, itong mga sikat na tao, mga artista, politiko, sports or athletes, no, yung mga inventor o yung sino diyan na viral, mga influencer. Ang sabi lang sa batas na wag masyado tayong maging balat sibuyas, no, na konting may kritisismo, pwede ka agad mag-libel. So parang medyo public property ka na. So medyo mabawas-bawasan konti yung privacy mo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi ka na rin pwede mag-file ng cyber libel. So yun lang na parang may konting depensa lang yung nag-bash, unless na grabe na siguro talaga masyado yung kanyang paglalait sa taong ito.
So syempre pwede man sila mudangop sa, of course, NBI Anti-Cybercrime Division, depende sa unsa may ilahang ireklamo regarding fake news, false accusations na ginaingon na dili man na tinuod, they did not, kumbaga. Pero syempre depende na sa situation.
Ito kasing ating cyber libel, very technical yung mga ebidensya kasi it's about mga screenshots, mga videos or mga audio. So kailangan yan siya ma-prove sino yung may-ari ng account. Yon. So very highly technical yan siya at kadalasan itong ating kasamahan sa NBI ang nag-investigate niyan. Although meron din tayong anti-cybercrime group sa Philippine National Police, I think there is a ato sa siyudad sa Davao na sa sulod sa barracks, no, diha sa mga CIDG mo na sila ang naga-investigate po. In Manila, I believe that there is a specific anti-cybercrime division ang Department of Justice dito sa ilang office of the secretary. So na ay specialized po dito nga piskalya na mismo ang nag-iimbestiga. So mas paspas na dito supposed to be kay kung diri sa kapulisan or diri sa tuang NBI kay baluta nga after they investigate, they have to endorse it to the city prosecutor, provincial prosecutor's office. Pero dito itong akong na isgutan sa Manila, murag sila na mga investigator file dayon ma-file dayon ang kaso so paspas supposed to be dito CD.
Naamping lang mo ha kay lison na baya wala na mo bugaan wala mo mabiling nga pamugas. Bitaw.
Ayan, oo.
So anyway, at least naklaro na ang tanan, no? Kay syempre even public figures, even media, they have to be very careful raba whatever the commentary is being made on air or published.
Madungog pud nato usahay, no, kani mga high profile nga mga personalities like actors or actresses or politicians. Milyon pod ang damages na ginaunsa kanang pangayo, no, so laliman kana 10 million, 5 million, 20 million, 100 million. So gigastuhan po na nila kay kung mangayo ka og kanang civil liability or damages, mobayad pud ka ana. So naagi kwarta ni sila kaning naga-file ana. So siguro basig dili ka makulong pero kay nasilutan mo kag civil liability nga na kanus ka makabayad ng 5 million, 10 million, 20 million, 100 million. So yan din ang problema later on, CD.
Grabe. Anyway, at least it is clear for us. Para lang siguro na tone down a little bit sa pride kay hindi tabang ang pride atong kaugalingong garbo sa aning kaso kay lisodra ba. But anyway, we will proceed na as of course as what I have said na there is a surprise na segment because we are doing our naga-countdown na takaron for road to 6 years na aning network, but we will start on with our road to 6th anniversary sa Kadangpan Digital. And of course, as part of the 6th anniversary, because next month pa man ato ang anniversary, but technically, I would like to share the things na for the first half of 2026, as what we have mentioned na tunga-tunga na ta sa tuig 2026. But syempre, there are some funny moments that it is not really worth na dili nato i-share for those na medyo may konting bloopers raba. We cannot deny na makamali man ta sa to ang pamulong regardless kung tape or live, but of course this is quite na dili pwedeng di na nato i-share. But disclaimer, dili ni siya patama, but rather we'll share the funny moments that we had for this interviews and some other things na wala sa ato ang control. So for the meantime, first half of 2026, ang dami ko nang na interview, no, but of course with many things that wala sa ato ang control, na may mga instances na na funny na we do not know what will happen. It's unpredictable, kumbaga,
Ang
attorney.
iba dito, napanood ko na, pero siguro karamihan din dito, hindi ko pa napanood, kaya medyo excited din ako nito, CD.
Yes. So regardless kung current events man or interviews, we will share it with all grace. Bloopers money or just a fun time, light moment with yours truly. Niya na ang ato ang funny moments and memorable experiences for the 6th anniversary sa Kadangpan Digital, just for the first half of the entire year 2026. Check this out. Murag si Dan na maigo ani, but likely probably tattoos are quite turned off to some boys, which currently it is going to be, I know you'll get hurt, pero yeah, the boys. And
I'm a really big fan. If I were given a choice, kung dili lang jud ko kanang sakit, dali gud masakitan.
Literally or figuratively.
Love is very, subjective. Emote. Yeah, issue.
So, of course, no, as an owner of a sustainable jewelry business, bebentahan ko kayo, ha? I'll tell you why you should buy lab-grown jewelry. No, but like,
don't be afraid.
Of course, I'll also choose lab-grown diamond. Tapos 6.5 pa ang ring size. Baka naman.
I don't know if it is applicable to Dana Gabriel with this topic, either a like or a dislike. I think this will be a challenging one. Love sa uyab over love of the career you wanted. A like or a dislike?
Love sa uyab?
Love sa uyab
versus
Yes.
career?
Versus career, like na siguro.
Oh!
I love sa uyab?
Hindi kasi baka kaya kang buhayin ng boyfriend mo.
sige. Kung kaya niya ako buhayin, sige, go.
In the middle na lang. In the middle na lang.
Oh, nagsabot yun. Oh my God, nagsabot. So, why in the middle, Dana?
Okay. Kasi pangarap ko na maging Pilates wife na lang. Parang housewife lang ako nag-aalaga. Kaya exactly, I mean, kidding aside, no?
How well do you know Israel Damaula?
Actually, kay Friends Gid Me Sir, kay way back 2021, nag-join me og we represented our institute, the Institute of Teacher Education, kay belong man sa ITED, sa DNSC po ang BACOM. Tapos, nag-join me, Mr. and Miss DNSC, we represented ITED way back in 2021. Tapos, ato nga time, kagikan pa nag-pandemic, so, in-house to siya, sir. So, we stayed for at least a week sa dorm sa DNSC. So, dito, we got closer. Tapos, we are actually friends up until now, sir.
Yes.
Friends, gid me.
Oo, gani. But what is the impression that you had sa iyang nga na personality?
Ay, sa iyang, if we were to talk about personality, good sir, very jolly good sa Israel. Like, very jolly. Especially during 2021, sir, kay mga bata pa kayo natin mo, pagsulod yun sa college. So, very jolly. Sige, dili mahimutang. What yun ang personality in Israel. Pero if we are to talk about intellectually good, sir, grabe, I'm always amazed yun sa intellectual capacity ni Israel, sir, kay kato nag-join mi og pageant, so nagyud mi mga Q&A sessions, tapos kanang yung mga words gid, sir, nga unsa man nga word kanang, even though I'm an English major, sir, ba kay ma-amaze gid ko sa kawide sa iyang vocabulary gid, sir. Mao jud ako permi ginabalik-balik sa iya, actually.
Oo. On the record siya, ha, kaya long before nga nakailang ni Israel, kay syempre intern man siya sa different media entities. At tinanay mo siyang reporter, then laagan good siya.
Laag.
Oo. That's all. Welcome, Miss Christine Bermudo. Mabuhay og madayaw.
Mabuhay og badayaw.
I am Jumelka Morales Tuang, 19 years old, proudly representing Barangay Talomo proper.
Uy, kabarangay banday na ko ni. taga Talomo proper man ko.
Oh, really?
Probably you understand a little Bisaya?
Yes. During my audition process, giingnan ko sa mga judges kung kabalo ba ko mabisaya, and then giingnan nila nako na mabisaya ako for the rest of the audition process. Dili daw ko pwede mag-English, pero nag-ingon sad ko na konyo kaya kong Bisaya kay ado man ko sa una. So, yeah.
Very intriguing, but you have to get used to it
I have to. My fellow candidates also helped me karon nakatuo ko unsay Bisaya ng slide.
Yeah.
Danlog.
Kami na lang po.
Hello, wait lang. Mini mo. I say, here we go. Gara.
Okay, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Kamusta naman ang team? Okay, puso. Kamusta naman?
Yes. Oh, wow.
None other than in the accent that I can understand, Laila, temporada pratuma. Sawadika.
Sawadika. Good morning. Mabuhay. Madayaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry, MMD, if I have to sing this right now. She is none other than Reyna Kobayashi. Nabiling ni kanyang kagwapa.
Wala pa taada, oy.
Ay, mabuhay og madayaw.
Mabuhay og madayaw, sir. Yeah.
How do you defend that? Attorney.
Di naman. I'm not a fan of history.
Especially, you don't want to go back to the past na nasakitan ka. Charet!
Grabe naman siya, hindi naman. Kapuyan lang kuog ka ng understand.
Oo. Si Israel Camacho Damaun.
Unsa man si Israel ha? Wait lang. Unsa man ang word bagay kay Israel?
Ayo. Nagtanaw ba yan?
Hindi mo kadaghan kayo words nga maka-describe sa iya ha. But if one word lang, unsa man si Israel? Wala kayo maisip. Wala kayo maisip, Israel. Unsa man siya ay? If I were to, like, one word for Israel, maybe peace, sir. Peace.
I-check ko para sure.
Take your time po, ma'am. Kadang pang Carlo Dolier, describe me in one word.
Like you say. It's just a joke.
Happy Valentine's Month, Happy Hearts Month sa tanang mga married couples, pero alang sa mga single moms, Happy National Smile Day. Smile na lang ta para dili ta mabitter.
Hopefully that this crisis will end and
Yes.
able for us to, bring back the business, especially in our region.
Yeah. Kindly bear with Thomas because he cannot understand much of what we're saying. But, ma'am, I like to ask, Binibining Sindangan 2025, Abigail de la Serna Balili.
Yes, that's what I really thought isa lang sila ni Ate Rebecca. Lahi di ay. I'm so sorry for that.
If I were to be asked, I think 27 to 28 would be an ideal age to get married.
Oh.
Yeah.
Layot na ko sa akong kalendaryo. Wala ko.
Yes, sir. Sige lang, sir. Your tadhana will be there in a while. I hope so. Let's pray for that.
I think I have brought something for you, which I bring from Davao with love.
Oh my gosh, what's
This is Malagos chocolates.
Really? Thank you.
Yes.
I love chocolates. I'm a sweet tooth.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Yes, and
This is much appreciated. I'm so sorry, sir. I don't have any. Kasi, agikan pa ko sa school and I haven't prepared something for you.
it's just fine though. What's
Thank you,
important
thank you.
is you had much in store for this. I think I have brought something all the way from Davao.
Hello! Alam mo, taste na ako ni. It's
Yes,
this Lola
this is
Abons.
Durian candy.
Uy, I love durian candies.
Wow.
Dili kayo kung nag-eat ka ng durian
Na fruit yun.
pero pag candy kay, hangol kay kuha na. Ganahan siya kay ko sa lasa. Di mara siya smell bito sa durian na actual na fruit.
I brought something
Oh,
from
Davao.
Davao.
Durian. I love durian. Thank
Yes,
you.
oo.
Thank you, sir.
Durian coffee yema from Lola Abons.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
Also,
po.
a souvenir shirt
Oh.
from Davao.
Hello, sir. Thank you. From Davao, guys.
Yes. And of course,
Thank
a
you,
keychain
sir.
from Davao.
Sir, delete naman siya require, pero thank you kayo, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you po.
Yes. Bas hindi ay ngamuduaw na siya Davao po.
Pohon!
Alright, so mao to ang first half of 2026.
Ang
And I did not
dami-dami pala noon. Katong, of course, tong first portion sa ato mga raining mood siya at that time na appeal ko ato nag-interview nila. Makainom-nom yun ko nga. Lingaw to kaayo. Sila
Yeah.
tulo, no?
Oo. Puro tawa na ako na dunggan yun, not unnecessarily yun, ano, but it's worth it na ma-share natin.
Yeah.
further.
Oo. So
Yun lang.
anyway, looking
Yan.
forward to the remaining of the year, no? Kasi napatay mga lain pang mga surprises po diha o mga memorable ansa, mga events or memorable instances na to ma-share.
Yes. Unang bungad pa lang na attorney, no, kay for the next episodes kay up to mahuman ang September ako nang ipagawas tanan kay katong mga memorable interviews that we had, cause we will only allocate a portion of our show as part of the mandate that I had, cause in every anniversary dili pwedeng di na nako maambit katong how is that been through sa kadang pan-digital. And of course kay 2 months ang anniversary period nato nako for this period. But
Okay.
we will go on sa ato ang lain pang hisgutanan. We will be right back after these few reminders. Please stay with us.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Saturday night in the program, The Attorney Blue Show, 7 p.m. every Saturday night at Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Alexa Rhoda and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025 and we are here with Kadang Pang Live with Carlo Dolier.
All right, and we're back.
We're back.
If you just join us, you're watching the final stretch of our program, ABCD. You're still with us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa. July 5 na tayo, 2026, episode 20 na rin tayo. So, those who have joined us, welcome. And those watching the replay, magsabi naman kayo kung saan kayo nanonood para mag-greet namin kayo.
Yes. Before everything else na sa laing portion, I would like to say congratulations, DI, for the successful 3D World Travel Expo na nahitabo sa Ayala Mall Centrio sa Cagayan de Oro.
Yes, oo.
Really
Sa,
fun.
wala na po ko naka-add to, pero sige lang, kabalo ko nga lingaw gihapon to siya, no? Then hopefully sa makasabay na punta sa mga laing mga events, CD.
Yeah. Pero siguro imposibleng walay next year ana, no, kay siguro maurag gihapon ang venue sa Abrisa next year, pero wala ta kabalo kanus ani mahitabo attorney.
Yes. Oo. Okay lang. Looking forward lang gihapon ta.
All right. So we're still in the part of our road to 6 years sa tuwang network, but I would like to go with the first half of 2026 gihapon. This time, katong the first and second quarter of the year has been very meaningful for me. Kay I heard a lot of stories for those contenders sa mga pageant, regardless kung asa man. Kay I even reached CDO and Iligan for that period. So, oo. And I know na marag na-mute ka, attorney, nawawala ka. Oh my
I think we have to go to Zamboanga and kanang mas layo-layo pa diha. Asa ba ng layo-layo, no? Dito sa may Surigao.
Well, we do not know kung asa man yun, no? Perhaps, unless kung na pageant for an unexpected, kay it's better nga wala sa sabot kaysa naman ang sabot
Oo,
na
mas maayo ni
plano,
kay
wa
kanang
madayon.
impromptu aron maunsag yun. Madayon kay kung sabot-sabutan usahay dili man nino ang madayon.
Gani, oo. Pero of course, nagadaginot tag kwarta para lang nga magbiyahe. Pero syempre, unless kung giimbita ta sa kaila nato, kumbaga. But let's be honest na syempre, a lot of people who doesn't know about me, who described in one word. So, first half sa tuwang 2026, I'm going to share katong sa ingon nato nga how do the beauty queens and contenders describe me in one word in an actual way na syempre my presence matters kumbaga. So let's
Okay.
all watch this.
Kanang Pangcarlo Delier, describe me in one word. Now take it personally.
I'll describe Sir Carlo as very generous. Not in a way na in material things, materially, but generous and giving us friendships that we never thought that we need. Yeah, because not everyone, not every reporter kanang communicates with us candidates very well. And Sir Carlo, I am very thankful that you never forget me. Yeah, I am very grateful for that. Because as a person, I treasure someone who always remembers me in every small details in life. Even if it's just a little thing, but it matters to me big. So I'm very grateful that you are here. You are very generous and love, your passion, and everything that you spread to everyone else. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Kadang Pangcarlo Delier, describe me in one.
Persistent, I would have to say. Grabe. How many times did I have to reschedule? 3 times.
Yeah.
Grabe. And very understanding as well. You know, I've always, when I was still in Sindangan, I've already heard of the, of your page. Because, of course, you were also, I think you were also doing a little bit of, I'm not sure if you did that during your time. Did you?
Yeah, I think I was monitoring, I think.
Or I think that was during my reign. So I've already heard of your page back then. And you know, when you said you knew a lot about Sindangan, na-amaze na ako dun pa lang. And at the same time, I'm really amazed at what you do. You know, you promote you promote tourism. At the same time, you help local governments to make sure that there's easy promotion for them. So that's really a good thing. And the content, I'm sure it's very difficult to think of contents, but you remain there because of your passion for what you're doing. And that's one thing that I really am in awe of you. And at the same time, syempre yung persistence mo, kasi yun na nga, when you think that something is worth a story is worth telling, you really insist on making sure that it's out there. So, yeah, that's a good thing talaga about Kadangpan.
Kanang Pangcarlo Delier, describe me in one word.
One word, passionate, sir.
Ganong passionate ma.
Very passionate, sir. Like, we can see it even right now, sir. Nga, nag-travel ka for your passion, yun, sir. So that's it, yun, sir.
Okay.
Kanang Pangcarlo Delier, just describe me in one word by city.
Matatag.
Wow.
Yes, Sir Carlo is very, very matatag. Daghan kay mga events na always present si Sir Carlo. Dili jud ako ni siya parang ano dito nga absence niya kay always na ko siya masilayan and always we mag-meet like always mabuhay ug madayaw. Grabe ang katatag niya to serve the community and also to serve the media itself. And actually condolence po sir no kasi naano ko talaga pero despite all na naranasan niya, despite di parang personal problems and difficulties niya, grabe siya katatag. Now, na-interview yapon ko niya, kahit meron siyang mga sariling, alam mo yun, difficulties sa life.
Yeah, thank you.
Kadang pang Carlo Dolier, describe me in one word.
Like you say.
Oh.
It's just a joke. Siyempre, super buutan. I would say you're so buot. And she treat me with my drinks today. Thank you so much.
But of course, what is your impression about me?
At first, or karon? Atong first jud.
First and compared to now.
As that your maldito. Yes. I think your facial, pag hindi ka nagsasmile kay, like, lolo, masuko na siguro di siya. But now that I get to know you, like, she's so mabait pala, she's so smiling. And again, she's just so generous. He's so generous because he treat me with my drinks.
Kadang pang Carlo Dolier, describe me in one word.
An amazing person to be with. Of course, with the support you gave to Iligan City, I'm just really, really grateful, no? Itagan pa din mong time ng Iligan City para i-visit and to interview us. And of course, para pod mailhan na everyone here in Iligan City is really welcoming.
Ayun. Alright. So, I think that is really the impression about
Iba-iba, no? Iba-iba yung impressions nila. Depende siguro sa, pag-interact nyo sa kanila and depending on the situation. But ako medyo na-surprise din ako doon sa ibang kanilang mga na-describe sa OCD.
I'm not sure kung naabay uban nga ako nang iambit, but of course, this is just again the pasample pa lang na, pambungad pa lang na ingon aning kung syempre ang anniversary ra ba, I had to syempre from the archives ra ba cause daghan akong stock footage from the previous coverage that I had way back. But anyway, this is just the very beginning ra ba. And as part to the road to 6th anniversary this August, it seems that I needed to share muna kay patikim pananap kay ipagawas ra baya na this Saturday, July 11, of course, at 3 p.m. on the Facebook page and YouTube channel of Kadangpan Digital. And this is the most awaited interview that I needed to share. So,
Abangan.
patikim pa lang na. Let's have a teaser muna. Pasilip pa lang ni for our 6th anniversary. Mayong adlaw, mabuhay o madayaw gikan sa dakbayan sa Davao.
Na-learn ko na ko, no? I have so many, naghanap kay ko experience sa bashing yun. Karang start pa, 2023 pa niya, 2024, until now, I still get bashed. So, marag daghan pa kong na-learn na in the internet, people sometimes forget to be humans. And the best thing we can do is just pray for them and ignore them. Kay, mawala naman po, these people have so, ang attention span nila is short lang yun. Dato mga tao na nabasya ko dati, wala na po sila karon. Good. So at that time I welcomed it. I welcomed the criticism. I welcomed the bashing because it was a chance, no, to challenge the mindset of the people about pageantry and women.
Mabuhay ug madaya.
Ayun. So that is the
so si Hannah's Day ang one-on-one sa July 11. So abangan natin yan.
Yes, it's a lengthy heart-to-heart, no-holds-barred conversation So I know na share naman niya sa other content creator, but syempre mas lawom, mas haom o mas comprehensive na detailed interview na gibuhat nako just for this, no, since that she
Yes.
is the first plus size mutya as per
Oo.
recorded
But of
history.
course, she's very guapa, no? She's very, very fair, no? And in contrast karon kay Colin Trill, no? Ano po, she's a dark beauty po. Masarap to sa napili na ako sa top 5, no, for this year. Natsambahan siguro to city. Nakita ko na.
Siguro sa next episode, attorney, no, ato na nang i-share katong mga 12 official candidates sa Miss Cagayan de Oro
Yes, oo.
2026.
Ano na nato na.
Oo, ako na nang ilakbit sa next episode and the further episodes kung di nato makayo next Sunday basin sa next Sunday.
Yeah.
Alright.
Uy, kapaspas sa oras. Sa hapit na maupos na po ang atong sa kaoras.
Yes. Muna magkandila, maupos dayon.
Maupos dayon.
Yeah. But before we leave, we bid farewell for episode 20. I think natay couple of reminders, attorney, para sa atong mga viewers.
Yes, of course, ongoing pa rin yung ating sa Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative. We have new branches in Digos and sa ating mga federation sa One Co-op Technology, lahat ng mga technological na mga needs, no, pwede niyo akong kontakin kasi board of director din ako. Yung mga accounting, yung mga banking, yung mga ano pang gusto niyo ipagawa diyan, mga ID, mga electronic voting. Kayang-kaya yan ng Cooperative Technology Services or OCTS.
Yes. Of course, little reminder, gentle reminder to our mga biyahedor, hilabi ng mga nagamaneho sa mga lagyo. Please, ingat po kay pagunsong aksidente nga grabe ang wala ko kabalo kung although ga-careful ata in every biyahe. Pero syempre, there's one weapon that we always carry and that is prayer.
Yeah, ampo kita, no?
Yeah, daghan kay plano pero syempre ayaw kalimting atong iampo tanan sa Ginoo nga himong luwas ang atong biyahe sa matag karon ug unya. Regardless kung paadtog trabaho o pauli or paadtog sa mga lagyong lugar kay giimbitaran man sa kinsa mang family member nga na-reunion kumbaga, but please don't forget to pray. Wala tay laing mabuhatan na kung dili ampo nga unta luwas ta bisan kadukaon ka sa biyahe, you needed to pray. Well, it is the power of prayer is everything.
Yes, magiging nato ang weapon. Shield, no?
Yes. And of course, we end our program with a verse from 1 John chapter 4 verse 19. It says, "We love him because he first loved us." That's for this week, and it is really relatable sa tuang tanan. Kitang tanan anak sa atuang Ginoo Hesus Kristo. And we end our episode 20 by greeting mabuhay o madayaw.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.